In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch models in Claude AI. Whether you're optimizing for speed, creativity, or deep reasoning, picking the right Claude model can make your work smoother. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few helpful tips so you feel confident making the switch without losing your place. First, open Claude and either start a new chat or open an existing one you're already working in. You can switch models at any point, but it helps to decide whether you want to continue a discussion you've already started or begin fresh. If you're exploring different responses to the same prompt, you might choose a new chat. If you just want the current conversation to continue under a different model, open that existing thread. Next, look near the Send button in the chat box. Right around that area, you'll see the current model name displayed. It might say something like Claude Sonnet or Claude Opus. The exact placement can vary slightly depending on your screen size, but it's almost always right by the message field and send icon. If you can type a message, you're close. Just glance to the side or above the send button. Now, click the model name to open the model selector. A small menu or panel will appear showing the available models. Don't worry. Clicking here won't send anything or change your message. It simply opens the list so you can review your options. This is where you'll decide which model better fits your task. Choose a different model from the list by clicking on its name. Each model has strengths. Some are great for complex reasoning and long-form content, while others are faster and more lightweight for quick iterations. If you're unsure, think about your goal, depth versus speed, and pick accordingly. Once selected, you should see the model name update near the Send button, confirming the switch. When you switch, Claude may start a new chat with the newly selected model. Your old chat stays separate, so nothing is lost. This is useful if you want to compare responses or keep different work streams organized. Just note that the new model won't automatically inherit the context from your previous thread. If context matters, you can restate key points in the new chat to get consistent results. That's it. Open a chat, find the model name near the Send button, click it, choose your model, and keep an eye out for a new conversation. You're ready to switch models with confidence.